Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I cancelled the other image, so I'm going to be using this. If I select here, then I go to picture. Okay, then the bird, was it picture? No, documents, surrounding. Why, where are the pictures? I remember I saved the picture somewhere with a pin. So let me first get this pin and see where it saves, because I had saved it in this. So if I'm to save, so that is desktop fonts. I select this, then get to desktop fonts and slide. So I had saved it here. So if I get it, I believe yes. Oops, file is empty. Please upload something more than substantial. This error. So it means maybe it was too late. So what I'm going to be doing is I get one of these pictures, then open with, in order to reduce the MBs. So I open it with Paint. So with that, I don't do anything on it, but I'm going to just resave it. Maybe picture. Then I resave it on the desktop in the other folder that was fonts. So that is one. Then I also get maybe this one. Then open it with this. So don't fear, like these pictures are not able to be downloaded even if I put them on the what on the profile. So I want them to act as displays for people who are basically to download this, at least to be able to see them. So now if I go back and I click my upload, then I upload these two photos. I believe they are going to upload a little bit faster and earlier than the other ones we had before. So we are going to be picking up from there, because my internet is a bit having a low response. So when they complete, I pick up from there.